Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to get Excel for free. Microsoft Excel is a paid software program, but there are few ways you can get or access to it for free. First is Microsoft Office Online. Microsoft Office a free website version of Excel called Office Online. You can access it through your web browser and signing up for a free account, Microsoft account. Next is trial version. Microsoft also offers a free 30-day trial version of Office Suite, which includes Microsoft Excel. Then, mobile apps. Microsoft offers free Excel mobile apps for Android and iOS devices. And last, Office Alternative. There are few free open source spreadsheet programs that offer similar functionality to Excel, such as LibreOffice, Calc, and Google Sheets. And that's how to get Excel for free. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.